This is my classic Mustang, and I plan to drive it from Boston to California, but there's only one small problem. Let me show you what that is. And that problem is that it needs a little bit of work. Well, maybe it needs a lot of work. But my plan is to take you along for the whole journey, from the beginning of working on it to the day that we hit off to California. And then, of course, through California as well. I have not restored a car before. This will be the first one. And it doesn't even have an engine. So this is going to be a journey, but I'm super excited to have you guys here. Please follow along, and I will be creating some fairly constant videos. And this will be my first full build project. So this is only the beginning. I am not sponsored. I am not a professional. I will be showing the real world experience of restoring a classic car. I have very mediocre welding skills, but I am not afraid to learn new things, and I'm not afraid to try. As you can see, this car needs everything from interior to suspension to brakes to modern systems to safety to engine. The only thing that is good is the frame, and even that needs a little bit of work. But I mean, body-wise, it's actually not too bad, especially for a very old car from the 60s.